everyone! Mother's Day is right around the corner, and you know what that means, right? Time to celebrate the most amazing people in our lives. But let's be honest, moms can be tough to shop for. Whether your mom's into gardening, fashion, cooking, or just relaxing with tea, we've got you covered. Thoughtful gifts, fun gifts, and even some that'll make her laugh out loud. Stick around, and let's find the perfect gift to make your mom feel like the queen she is this Mother's Day. You know how much moms love photos, right? Well, this digital frame from Aura takes it to a whole new level. She can invite the whole family to share pictures and even short videos, so she'll always have those special moments right there on her nightstand. Plus, it's super easy to use, even for moms who aren't exactly tech-savvy. Perfect gift. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love ice cream? And Jeni's is not your average ice cream, people. Their spring collection has these amazing flavors like raspberry rhubarb delight and citrus glazed pound cake. It's the perfect way for mom to indulge a little and treat herself. Plus, you get bonus points if you offer to share with others. If your mom's always dreaming of sunny beaches and sandy toes, this personalized beach art is a home run. Customize it with the whole family, even the dog. It's a reminder of those happy family vacations. You can never go wrong with flowers, right? But these aren't your average flowers. Urban Stems bouquets are like works of art. The Double the Dusk bouquet is my favorite, with pastel colors and eucalyptus. And the best part? They offer next day and same day delivery. This one's for all the moms out there who love to print out photos and make those adorable scrapbooks. This little Kodak printer connects right to her smartphone, so she can print out her favorite memories instantly. It's like having a little photo booth right in her pocket anytime she wants. This candle warmer lamp is so chic and elegant, it's like an instant upgrade to any room. Plus, it makes her candles last way longer, which is a win-win in my book. No more worrying about open flames or smoky wicks, just pure, beautiful fragrance and a cozy ambiance. If your mom's always reaching for a sparkling water or soda, this SodaStream is about to be her new best friend. It lets her make her own bubbly drinks right at home, with way less waste than those single-use plastic bottles. Plus, it's just plain fun for everyone. She can experiment with different flavors and make her own delicious sodas. Okay, this one's a splurge, but let's be real. The KitchenAid stand mixer is like the holy grail of kitchen appliances. It's a baker's dream come true. It comes in a million different colors, so you can find one that perfectly matches mom's personality. Cookies, cakes, bread, you name it, this mixer can handle it all effortlessly. This gift is all about preserving those precious family recipes. You know, the ones that have been passed down for generations. Now mom can have her favorite recipe printed on a beautiful tea towel in her own handwriting. It's a sentimental and practical gift she'll cherish forever. Imagine stepping out of the shower and wrapping yourself in a warm towel. This towel warmer from Zadro is easy to use and heats up towels in minutes. It's the perfect way for mom to pamper herself and unwind after a long day. If your mom has a sweet tooth, this pastry sampler from Le Marais Bakery is a real treat. It comes with 12 delicious French pastries, including croissants, pain au chocolat, and more. Add fresh fruit and coffee, and you've got a brunch fit for a queen. This reed diffuser from Nest New York adds a touch of fragrance to mom's home. The bamboo scent is fresh and clean, perfect for spring. It's a gift that keeps on giving, just like mom's love. Le Creuset Dutch ovens are legendary. They're incredibly durable, distribute heat evenly, and can be used for soups, stews, bread, and even desserts. It's an heirloom quality piece to pass down for generations. Sometimes the simplest gifts are the most meaningful. Just print out a favorite family photo and pop it in the frame for a personalized gift that mom will cherish forever. Plus, it'll look beautiful on her nightstand or bookshelf. If your mom loves wine, this subscription introduces her to amazing female winemakers. Each month, she'll get a curated selection from women-owned wineries. Plus, it's a gift that keeps giving all year round. Get custom silhouette portraits of mom and her children. It's a minimalist and elegant way to decorate her home. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. This personalized recipe book is the perfect gift for the mom who loves to cook. It has plenty of space for her to write down her favorite recipes, and the hanging fruits design is stylish. It's a great way for her to organize her recipes and pass them down to future generations. This cake stand is a work of art, perfect for displaying mom's delicious baked goods. The beaded glass design is elegant and timeless. These colorful wine glasses are perfect for adding a touch of fun to mom's next dinner party or get-together. They're surprisingly affordable and come in a variety of vibrant hues. They're a versatile and stylish addition to any home. This robe from Brooklinen is the epitome of luxury and comfort. It's crafted from super soft Turkish cotton and comes in a variety of stylish colors. She'll feel like she's at a spa every single day of the week. If your mom loves learning new things, a masterclass all-access pass is the perfect gift. She'll have unlimited access to hundreds of online classes taught by world-renowned experts in cooking, writing, photography, and so much more. Plus, she might just discover a new passion or skill. This cozy throw blanket can be personalized with mom's name, initials, or a special message. It's a thoughtful, practical gift that she'll cherish and use all the time. This luxurious body polish from Herbivore Botanicals is made with coconut oil, sugar, and rose petals. It smells amazing and leaves skin soft and smooth. Plus, it comes in a beautiful reusable glass jar. If your mom loves to travel, this away carry-on is a game changer. It's lightweight, durable, and has a built-in battery for phone charging. The perfect travel companion for her next adventure. You can get a custom illustration made of your family, including pets. It's a unique and personal way to decorate mom's home. Plus, it's a wonderful way to commemorate a special occasion or milestone in your family's life. This smart mug from Ember will keep mom's coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for hours on end. No more cold coffee or lukewarm tea ever again. This personalized cutting board is both practical and stylish. It can be engraved with mom's name, initials, or a special message. It's a perfect gift for the mom who loves to cook or entertain guests. This grow kit is a fun and unique gift idea. It includes everything mom needs to grow her own beautiful flowers, each representing her birth month. Plus, it'll add a touch of color and life to her home. Weighted blankets are all the rage these days, and for good reason. They're incredibly calming and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It's the perfect gift for any mom who needs a little extra relaxation in her life. This personalized family name sign is a beautiful and rustic way to decorate mom's home. It can be customized with her family name and established date, making it a unique and special gift. This portable turntable from Crosley is perfect for the mom who loves music. It comes in a variety of fun colors and has built-in speakers so she can listen to her favorite records anywhere she goes. This personalized jewelry dish is a thoughtful gift for the mom who loves her accessories. It can be engraved with her name, initials, or a special message. It's a great way for her to keep her jewelry organized and on display. This hydro flask keeps drinks cold for hours. Perfect for the gym, hikes, or errands. A practical and stylish gift she'll use daily. This personalized cutting board is a thoughtful and practical gift for the mom who loves to cook. It can be engraved with a cherished family recipe in her own handwriting, making it truly unique. It's a wonderful way to preserve those special recipes and pass them down to future generations. This shiatsu massager is perfect for moms with back and neck tension. It provides deep tissue massage to relieve muscle soreness and stiffness. Plus, it's much more affordable than a spa trip. In this digital age, it's easy to forget the simple pleasure of flipping through a physical photo album. This personalized album can be engraved with mom's name, a special date, or a heartfelt message. It's the perfect place for her to store all those precious family memories and photos. So there you have it, folks. 36 amazing gift ideas for every type of mom. It's not about how much you spend, but finding something thoughtful she'll truly appreciate. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. You are loved and appreciated more than you know.